What's up everybody? Today I've come with a tutorial of drawing Cristiano Ronaldo, so I'm here to show you step-by-step tutorial. At first you have to have a ruler, a pencil eraser, charcoal pencil, a hard, a soft one, a ruler like that one, a laser, hard charcoal pencil, medium charcoal pencil, and soft charcoal pencil. So start by gridding your picture by plotting your point on the ruler. For me, I use 1.5 centimeter. So start joining your dots. After joining your dot, start plotting the point again on the side of the paper. And on the other side of the paper. Okay, start joining the points. After joining the dots, write A, B, C until the letter are full to the boxes, and downward write the number. This depends on the application that you are using to plot your grid on your picture. Now start sketching your picture. For me, I usually start from the side of the face, but in this grid method you can start on any point that you want, because the picture will turn up to be the same as you can see on this one. Another thing that you must make sure is that the boxes on the paper are accurate to the boxes on the pictures. So for me, in this A4 paper, I use 18 millimeters. Yeah, start by sketching. So for me, I start with the sketch, as now you can see I'm plotting on the ear. Slowly but sure. Be patient and follow what the boxes are telling you. If the boxes cut on letter H and you want the picture, you must cut on the letter H. If the picture tells you that the cheek is on number 5, just draw number 5. This picture will be on my link description, so if you want to download it, you can download it and show me on the comment, or tag me your video so that I can review it. This picture will be on my Insta page also, so you can download it. Be patient on drawing everything that you see on the picture until the image look alike with your drawing. After finishing plotting your picture, now start erasing your lines by eraser that you have. Slowly but sure, make sure you don't ruin your sketch. And this is the stage that I usually like to teach most of my students after erasing. After erasing, now start entering your sketch without referring to the grid. So use your head and use your skills of drawing only by drawing without deferring to the grid method. So take the original pic of Cristiano Ronaldo and just free sketch on it without grid method. And we start shading until someone tells you that this is a pic look-alike with Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the point where you can start shading. I hope to see you on the next video, which I'll be shading on Cristiano Ronaldo, but the first stage, I think it is now complete. Done.